In this presentation, you are going to learn about the principle and production of X-rays. The principle in the production of the X-rays is when fast-moving electrons are suddenly stopped by the materials, that is metal targets, X-rays are emitted. The name of the tube is called modern X-ray tube. This one was designed by William Coolidge. Therefore, the modern X-ray tube is otherwise called the Coolidge tube. This is the device in which the X-rays are generated, X-rays are produced. Even in X-ray clinics, the same kind of Coolidge tubes are used to produce the X-rays. So in this presentation, we are going to learn how the X-rays are produced in modern X-ray tube, that is in Coolidge tube. I am going to explain the function of the Coolidge tube by using the schematic diagram. In this presentation, I am going to explain how the X-rays are produced in a Coolidge tube. The name of this tube is called Coolidge tube. Otherwise, it is also called as modern X-ray tube. Look at the arrangement. Still we are using in X-ray clinics. This modern X-ray tube is still we are using in the X-ray clinics. Therefrom the X-rays are produced. Look at here, it is a evacuated glass bulb and within which two electrodes are there. This part is called anode. This part is called anode and that anode is made up of copper. Are you clear? And this part, it is made up of like a cylinder. That cylinder that is made up of molybdenum metal. Are you clear? Within which one tungsten filament is there. The tungsten filament that is connected with a low tension battery, that is low voltage is given across the two ends of the tungsten filament. Here the two ends, electrodes, the cathode, that molybdenum cathode that is connected with a high voltage source. That is why here it is mentioned that high tension. High tension means very high voltage must be given across cathode and anode. Around 50,000 volt must be given. Here, this cathode molybdenum cylinder that is connected with the negative terminal of the high tension voltage supply and the anode, copper anode that is connected with positive potential of the high tension voltage supply. The two important things must be satisfied. One is within the Coolidge tube, within the modern X-ray tube, low pressure must be maintained and across cathode and anode, high voltage must be supplied. These two conditions must be satisfied, only then X-rays can be produced. The main important thing is the principle behind the production of X-rays. When the two ends of the tungsten filament, if they are connected with low tension battery, here the tungsten filament gets heated. After heating, due to thermionic emission, what will happen? No, the electrons, they are all liberated from the tungsten filament. Electrons are emitted from the tungsten filament. The emitted electrons, they have negative charge. All negatively charged electrons, they are focused with the help of the molybdenum cylinder. All electrons are focused and all focused electrons are accelerated by the anode. The anode, that is positively charged anode, that one pulls all the electrons towards the anode. So very high energetic electrons, they are travelling towards the anode. Here within the anode, within the copper, there is another metal is embedded, that is called target. We can use either molybdenum or tungsten as target. Look at here, very important one. This is the place, this is the target within which the electrons, that X-rays are generated. Again I will repeat, this is the target material from which the X-ray photons are produced. So either you can use molybdenum or tungsten as target element. Usually the target element must have very high atomic number and mass number. That is, number of electrons must be more in the case of molybdenum and also in the case of tungsten. That is why we prefer either molybdenum or tungsten. Here, the fast moving electrons, they are suddenly stopped by the target material, that is by the metals. So, when the fast moving electrons are suddenly stopped by the metals, what will happen? No, the X-rays are generated, X-rays are emitted, and X-ray photons are emitted from the material. Are you clear? How the X-rays are emitted? What are the things which are all happening within the target? All those things will be explained in X-ray spectra. Are you clear? Just you are learning that whenever the fast moving electrons are suddenly stopped by the metal target, what will happen? X-ray photons will be emitted. So, the energy is converted here. The kinetic energy is possessed by the electron. The energy of the electron is converted into X-ray photons. They are all particles. Electrons are all particles. They have energy, tremendous amount of kinetic energy. And as soon as it incident on the target material, X-ray photons are emitted. Radiation is emitted in the form of energy. Are you clear? So, X-ray photons are emitted. Here, the anode, copper anode, that is slightly inclined at an angle of 45 degree, because the emitted photons, they have to be brought out from the X-ray tube. That is why it is slightly inclined, and due to the continuous incidence of the electron, what will happen? No, the anode, that one will get heated. Are you clear? If due to heating, if it reaches beyond melting point of the copper may be melted. To avoid the melting of copper anode, here one cooling system is required. So, this copper anode, that is surrounded by a spiral type tubes, arrangement is there, within which a cold water, that is to be allowed to pass through the spiral tubes. So, if it is poured through this hole, what will happen? The cold water will be circulating around the copper anode, that one will be converted into cold water. So, continuously that cold water will absorb the heat which is emitted from the copper anode. So, the copper anode, that can be prevented from melting by using the coolant. Are you clear? So, this is the region in which the X-rays are emitted. So, fast moving electrons, when they are suddenly stopped by the metals, X-rays will be emitted. Still we are using this Coolidge tube even in the X-ray clinics. Are you clear? So, learn this production of X-rays may be asked in 3 mark. Okay.